to accept the award.
And we'll get to your response just a couple of years ago, but in a small amount of time, it's already made a big impact. RayKitty provides quality and engaging science content for non-traditional students here in New Mexico. It started as a homeschool class once a week, but now has grown to several classes 4 days a week, school outreach, and a weekly science education television broadcast. It was founded by David Gibson, who has already grown a following providing educational programs to a local museum. David says that while career possibilities are typically the driver for STEM education, he wants students to discover how STEM can enrich their lives outside of future occupations. He says problem solving and knowing how to build things and how they work changes students' view of the world and their place in it. He says his proudest moment is when a student and their parent lets you know they have had difficulty in other learning environments and can thrive in our program, and it has kickstarted a love for STEM. RayKitty has exciting plans to increase availability to students in Albuquerque and the surrounding areas. It also has future plans to provide content in new formats and expand its demographics to help all students realize science shows you matter.